Xbox.
What's up, this is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the LCD hinge rails from a Dell Latitude 3460. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide latch over and remove battery. Unscrew and remove access door. Now disconnect hard drive cable from motherboard. Then unscrew and remove hard drive and caddy. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Now press in tabs and turn over keyboard. Then disconnect keyboard cable. Then remove bottom base screws. Now remove palmrest screws. Then disconnect palmrest cables. Now use a thin object to pry apart and separate palmrest from base. Now disconnect fan cable. Then unscrew and remove cooling fan. Next, unscrew LCD cable bracket. Now disconnect remaining cables from motherboard. Then unscrew and remove motherboard. Then loosen antenna cables. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Use fingers to carefully pry apart and remove bezel. Now unscrew and turn over LCD screen. Then disconnect and remove LCD screen. Now unscrew and remove hinge rails. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.